Hi everyone, here we've got KYOCERA Torque G03 and let me show you how to enable night mode or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll and tap on the display. As you can see, actually on the third position we've got blue light reduction, which is, let's say, the eye comfort mode, so let's tap on it in order to enter. And now this option is obviously off. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here. And I hope that you can see it, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, you can adjust the intensity of that feature. It's up to you how you want to set it, just use the switcher. Here you can set it cooler and this way warmer. I will leave a warmer, and under it we've got the auto set option, so we can schedule that feature. Let's tap on it. Now it is never. Now it is set never, but we can set also the timer settings, and as you can see now we've got the start time and end time, so we can choose the start time, for example maybe 10 AM, let's tap on OK, and end time at 3 AM. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see it is immediately applied, so it means that from now on your device will automatically turn on and off this option. But let me turn off the schedule option, and actually this is how to customize this blue light reduction mode. Let me get back, and if you want to have much faster access to this feature, simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find proper icon. As you can see, it is right here. Now it is activated. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the icon. And as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state. If you cannot see the blue light reduction icon, no worries, just tap on edit. You will have to find it somewhere here, then tap on it, hold it and drag it to this very first section. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the night light in your KYOCERA Torque G03. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.